What's up, everyone? It's Susie and Todd from Hey Grill Hey, and we are here with Char-Griller and Kingsford for BBQ 101. When it comes to grilling, charcoal is one of the most popular fuel choices because it gives you that classic, smoky, wood-fired flavor to your food.
So there are so many different types and varieties of charcoal, so let's talk about the differences.
So the two most common types of charcoal are gonna be briquettes and lump. So why don't we talk about both? So let's start with briquettes. Typically available in grocery stores, hardware stores like the Home Depot. They're really, really easy to find. And they're generally pretty affordable. When we're cooking with briquettes at home, we really like to utilize them when we're shooting for consistent heat. We want that consistent performance of being able to get the temperature where we like it and have it run that way during the duration of our entire cook.
So my favorite thing, obviously, is the flavor. So you get the real wood fire flavor from this charcoal, which I love.
100%. So typically when we're cooking with briquettes in the backyard, we're using Kingsford Original. It gives you that consistent performance and the smoky flavor that Todd loves.
All right, Suze, let's talk about lump charcoal.
So lump charcoal is actually made up from whole wood pieces, a little bit different than briquettes. It can be harder to find, it's not as common, and it can be a little bit pricier, but there are some benefits to utilizing lump charcoal in your cooking. So lump charcoal's inconsistent sizing means that it's a little bit more inconsistent in heat, but that can be a benefit if you need to move your grill from a low temperature to a high temperature or back down pretty quickly. It's easy to warm things up or cool things off. It also has the ability to burn a little bit hotter than briquettes do, and there's less ash when you're done cooking. There are a ton of options on the market now. Knowing what you're gonna be cooking, knowing what you're gonna be cooking on, and knowing your budget will really help you make the best decision in the type of charcoal that's gonna work best for you in your backyard.